Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ruby, and from the title you already know that this is a IKEA haul. It's a very short haul. We ordered some stuff online from IKEA website. It's not a lot of stuff, but still I thought I'll just quickly come in and show you guys what all we got. And right now I'm in Pune, and there are certain pin codes on which IKEA delivers in Pune as well. So mine was one of them. You can check it out if your pin code is eligible for online delivery, and maybe then you can place an order from IKEA. Also, IKEA has some sale going on. I think there's some clearance sale going on. You can check it out. And if there is an audio issue, it is because it is continuously raining and there's no other spot which is getting this good light. So that's why I'm sitting right in front of my house and in front of the main door, just to get some natural light. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I want to mention is that IKEA has sent their stuff with an amazing packaging. Like all the stuff, each and everything, be it very small or big, they've packed it very nicely, and I'm highly impressed with how they have packed the things. Like these materials and everything was like not just double, but I think 4 times 5 times they've wrapped up with these kind of materials. So it was really nicely packed up, so thumbs up for that. So let's begin with our product. So the first one is this zigzag lid holder. So we have a lot of lids in the house, but we did not have anything for holding the lids together. So in the kitchen they just lie around like that, like one on top of the other. So I thought getting this one makes a lot of sense. And also it didn't come like this. It came in a small box which I've already opened, and this was not assembled. Like these parts were like separate, and then you have to screw it up. Not really screw it up, but with your hand you can just screw it up, and this extends and you can just compress it like that. So depending on how your lids are, you can use this to stack up your lid. So this was the first item that we got. Moving on, we have some food clips. I think you can never have enough food clips in your house, and I got a couple of them from Amazon also, but the quality was not that great, so that's why I picked it up from IKEA as well. The quality is really nice, and the price is also very economical. I think this was for 99 or 69, I don't remember, but yeah, very close to that. So in case IKEA doesn't deliver at your pin code, there are stuff from IKEA which is available on Amazon, so you can check it out. So something like this, if it cost 100 in IKEA and you're getting it for like 150, I think it's okay to spend 50 rupees more for a product of this quality. So second item is this food clip. We have the third product. This is your this is a plate drying rack kind of a thing, you can say that. So when we wash the crockeries, basically the ceramic ones, we don't have like a proper place to stack them so that they can dry up nicely. We generally end up keeping them one on top of the other, and it's a little risky as well. They might break. So so with this you can easily stack up all your plates. Basically we have got this for our ceramic plates. So yep, nothing much to say about it. All you do is just keep it on the slab and then stack up all your plates. So yeah, that's it. This one was also quite economical, not very expensive. I don't remember the prices. I will leave all the links of the products in the description box. You can check it out. So the third item is this storage container. So I've still not opened it. I'll just let me quickly open it. So this is a plastic one. This is not glass, about which my husband wasn't really very happy. He's very much against plastic. So but I wanted some, because you can't really keep everything in glass boxes in your fridge. You need some plastic items. So this is like this, and it comes with a lid, and it nicely tucks it. It gets nicely tucked in. You can just close it, and you have 3 boxes and 3 lids, and these are very high quality. I know because mate got one of these, and I think this lasts forever kind of thing. So I've got this bunch. It is, like I said, 3 boxes, 3 lids. Nothing much to say about it, just that it's very high quality. The plastic is not flimsy or something, and it is microwave safe as well. Yes, it is. Okay, moving on is my favorite product from IKEA. I think I recommend this to everyone whoever goes to IKEA. So this was there in my previous IKEA video as well. I've made a video on IKEA before as well. I'll link it up here. If you haven't watched it, please go ahead and watch it. And the product that I'm talking about is none other than the Pokel glasses. So we already have like a dozen of them. It's just that we broke 2 glasses. So my husband said we should get a box of 4, just so that we have enough glasses in the house. So Pokel glass it is. I mean, I've already shown in my previous video, but I'll show it one more time. It's nothing. It's clear glass. I think in IKEA this glass comes in 2 more colors. One is your rose gold. One is your pink and one is blue. But all other glasses that we have are clear glasses. So we wanted clear glasses. So again, we've got this one also, and this is also not very expensive. I think again, I don't remember the price, but it's not very expensive. Okay, moving on. Another product is this candle. It's a small one. This is vanilla candle. So IKEA has a lot of open candles as well. So when I say open candles, I mean that like they are open candles. They are not in a container like this, like a glass. This is a glass container in which I have the candle. So the problem with open candles is when you burn it, the shape actually gets weird and you end up wasting a lot of candle. That is not the case with these candles. So I just got one, not much. Moving on, the next product that we have is, let me show you. Can you see the packaging? I'm still opening it. Like they've packed it up so nicely. So the next product is this unscented tea lights. So I've ran out of these, and I checked on Amazon and I checked on IKEA. Both the prices were pretty much equal. So if you buy something like this on Amazon also, you'll get it on the same price range. So, but since we were ordering, I thought I'll just order. So I think this is a pack of 100 tea lights, and I ran out of it, so I just ordered. Nothing much to say about it. Next up, we have some planters. Again, you can see how nicely they've come in the packing. The only issue with the planters is I somehow got confused with the size, because I already have these planters in the house. Like I've got different colors. So when I was ordering, I didn't realize that these are the smaller ones. Like can you see how small this is? Like this is my hand for reference. Can you see how small this is? So you'll generally not find any pot which is this small that you can keep inside it. So for some reason I didn't check the measurement or something like that, because I have a bigger one as well, which is like this big. So I really don't know what to do with these, and I ordered 3 of them. So I'm really stuck with them now. I really don't know what to do. I'm not sure if I do a drainage hole here, will it hold together or will it just crumble? So yeah, that's the issue. So another planter that I ordered of the same kind. Yep, can you see this? This is such a beautiful color. But yeah, I have ordered one more, but I think I kept it somewhere in the house, so I will not be able to show you that one. So another planter that we have is this one. So this I knew was small. I mean, I expected this size, but for both of them I'm a little confused. But the only issue with this is plastic. I didn't think like it'll be plastic, but yeah, this is plastic. But this is a good size, as in it is a little bigger, as in it's a little wider. You can put stuff inside, so it's a little better than those two. Next, we ordered a bunch of these spatulas and ladles. So there's one more which is in kitchen. We couldn't really stop ourselves from using that because we really needed that in the kitchen. So I have a bunch of non-stick ware in the kitchen. Like I have a non-stick kadhai, non-stick pan, but I did not have enough wooden spatulas and all that to use with them. So there were a couple of times when we wanted to use something and that wooden spatula was in the sink, so I thought it makes sense to get these. So 1, 2, 3, and there's one more in the kitchen which is like the flat one. And again, these are really inexpensive. I think I paid 69 or 79 per item, and this is really high quality, good quality, because again in Hyderabad I've used these stuff, so I know, I mean, these are good quality. Next up on my list is a storage box. You see, this is a storage box with 2 shelves. I'm not sure if you're catching the light or not. So this is a storage box which of 2 shelves. So if you open it like this, and then you get 2 more compartments like this, what you do is you will have a place here on the side. I'll just show you. There's a section where you just slide this thing inside. Oh, so like this. So if you see, this becomes very sturdy, and we have another one like this, and we'll slide it down from here. So you see, now this has become a proper storage box with 2 compartments. So it's very convenient to organize anything in your wardrobe, and plus this is really good quality. The ones I got from Amazon, I had to return them because they were so flimsy, like the partitions were so flimsy that they would not even stand on their own. They would like, if you know what I mean. So these are really good ones. So we bought, I think 2 or 3 of them. One husband has already taken, and one somehow I have just kept it for myself. So the last item on the list is this huge storage box. So as you can see, husband has already organized everything. So this, as you can see, I'm not gonna go into much detail, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 compartments are there, and you can basically these compartments are of different sizes, so you can use this to arrange all your stuff. Like you can see he has put belts and socks and watches and whatnot. There's a lot of stuff. The less I show, the better. So again, for this storage box, I would just say, again, we ordered something like this from Amazon, and he did not like, even I did not like, we returned it the next day. But this one, the quality is really nice. The compartments are not flimsy. They're very sturdy, so you can, you know, place your stuff inside the wardrobe. And also the size, this particular dimension, when I saw this, I thought it might not fit in the wardrobe, but I think they've made this thinking about the general wardrobe size, because it fits really nicely in the wardrobe, not an inch out, not an inch inside. So in terms of that also, this is really nice. And for storage organizing, you can clearly see how well you know, your wardrobe is going to look after this. So I think with this we have come to an end of the video. Thank you for watching this, and if you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, bye.